Melissa, it's Charlotte. You know, yeah.
It's
Chucking it down.
No, it's not. Actually, it's bullocking down.
Oh, it's that. Yeah, I say chuck it down, but.
Do you want to see the rain?
Wait.
Go.
Melissa, just on the table. Right. What are you doing? Oh, yes, wait.
Sit back down. I'm not tripping over that wire again. I don't trust you.
And so that's like the garden. Why am I friends? Right. Anyway, is like the living room.
Ow!
This is
The Paula dancer. No, it's a Paula dancer. Don't listen to her.
no, it's
Oh my god! Look! Raymond!
Anyhow,
You like my brainy coat?
wait.
I've dislocated my phone. And I think my head dislocated as well.
I just went, oh my god, I just fell down. A sock just fell off the radiator. A sock.
Right. I've got to tell you a story, right? This morning, we were coming, like, we were going to Ashton. And
Really cold.
my mum opened the door and the telly turned on. Opened the front door and the telly turned on and we just turned it off.
Okay.
Petrified.
But